finally, we get to see Reggie's house. Alright, so this is Reggie. And yep. Alright, so I'll be visiting Reggie's home. Alright, now let's see what fancy stuff he has in his house. Alright. Awesome. Whoa. That's some cool. I'm trying to focus it. Alright. Alright. Look. Let's see. Wario, Mario, some Metroid stuff, Pikmin, Bowser. I love the Mario music. Like Bowser's Castle, huh? Walnut Mushroom, the normal mushroom, Bullet Bill thing, Link, Minnesota. Oh, okay, you can see it yourself. I don't want to be annoying here, so. Alright, this is pretty fancy. So many stuff. So many things. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that bike. Huh. Oh, that's a nice flat screen TV that needs to be focused. Huh. Nice couch. Hoops. Yeah. It's a pretty cool living room. I think it's a living room, but I'll let you judge. I never get tired of that music. Now let's see. Bill Blaster, yeah, we get it. Awesome. Now let's see what he has here. Whoa. Wow. Reggie bed. It's actually so cool and creepy at the same time. A Reggie bed. Whoa, that's skill. That's really detailed. TV. Wow, statue, Mona Lisa. Hopefully it's not fake, cause you know Red. I heard he can give you fake stuff, but I doubt it's fake. Alright. Pretty fancy stuff. Sorry if I sound confused. I am, cause you know it's my first time visiting his house, and I was like really whining, cause yesterday was the first time you could get into his house, and I couldn't for some reason. I was pretty late, cause because my so after you actually get your home, you have to wait one day until you can access the Happy Home Showcase. And I got my Happy Home Showcase access today, so I was pissed because I thought I wouldn't be able to visit Reggie since it was initially yesterday. But hey, surprisingly, just now I got the spot pass, and I'm so glad. So glad. I think it's worth it, in my opinion. So, is that an Apple TV? Huh. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's an IT kitchen. Alright. Now let's see what else he has. I think that's pretty much it, but I know it was amazing. Reggie did a pretty good job. He probably hired hundreds of people to do this for him, since I guess he's pretty busy, and I can buy the stuff I want, and hopefully you guys, like, in Europe you can't connect, but hopefully sometime If you're in North America, hopefully you can access this house. And guys, thanks for watching. See ya.